Is your supply chain helping your business grow or holding it back? Understanding how it really works could be the key to unlocking efficiency, saving costs, and gaining a competitive edge. A supply chain analysis gives you a clear picture of every step your products take, from sourcing to delivery. In this video, we'll walk you through how to conduct a simple, effective analysis of your supply chain. Start by mapping out every component of your supply chain. Next, decide what you want to measure. Now it's time to evaluate. Use that data to go deeper and find any hidden risks. With your newfound insights, start to build out your strategy. A smart supply chain analysis isn't just about logistics, it's about empowering your entire business. When your supply chain runs smoothly, everything else falls into place. Need help getting started? At Blue Grace, we combine data, technology, and logistics expertise to optimize your supply chain from end to end.